Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 13th of March. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right? Bitcoin still rallying a bit, and we have been consolidating, but that's interesting. We've got a possible larger double bottom here, which I'm not expecting to play out really, but is interesting. I'm still leaning very strongly towards us making this target here in the 69,000-70,000 area, and I think the interesting thing is whether we hold that area here, this area I've outlined, and we'll see. But we've got rising support pretty close to that. We may well. What's interesting on the 15-minute chart today is the possible IHS that is forming, and we've got another one of these on Solana. On Solana, seeing a bit of a rally here, got up to 130. But if we see this, IHS break up, then this could make it back to the 150 area. So I am wondering if we are going to see that. Looking at the hourly chart, didn't have a buy signal here. If we did have, then it would have reached the possible near miss target. I'm thinking we've got a nice looking wedge here. I would love to see it get back up to, well, at the 145 to 150 area to reach this declining resistance. And we've got a possible little IHS, you can see just there, which could get us there. We will see. Looking at the Ethereum chart, Ethereum, we have been rallying a little. We've still got a possible RSI 14 buy signal brewing, and we rallied a little and we came down, made a marginal lower low, 1754. This is kind of in scary territory. Now, I would say that we've got on Ethereum, we've got a longer term issue than we've got on the others, because Ethereum may actually be in the process of disappearing over the next 3 or 4 years, or at least getting an awful lot smaller, because there's nothing it can do that really Solana doesn't do better. We've got a nice looking little falling wedge here. I'm watching that. No IHS here, but this is a nice looking little wedge, and the falling wedge resistance is currently in about the 2080 area. So we will see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, looking at questions, of which we've got none. But obviously, if we do see some retaliations to the retaliations today with the Europeans, then things could escalate quickly, and this could just fade downwards again. But I'm pretty optimistic we'll see a rally if we don't see any bad news to the contrary, which is a very real possibility. We shall see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Short Ethereum and long Sol likely to be a winner. Longer term, that's the trade. I think Solana has very good prospects longer term, and I'm wondering whether Ethereum will be existing in 5 years. So it is there. That is where we are. So I'm not surprised to see Ethereum's was underperforming to the upside and is underperforming to the downside. That's the way it should be. All right, great. In that case, that's a wrap. I will see you tomorrow morning. And stay safe today.